Hello everyone and welcome back to the second unit of the design thinking, the role of creativity for business innovation. The innovation process is a complex combination of factors: creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. The creativity of the development of the novel products, the innovation, the process of commercializing the novel product. Entrepreneurship, there are the skills, knowledge, and capabilities need to execute the process. All play a role in a thinking an idea from a concept to market. Okay, if we go in the second slide, the learning outcome of the role of creativity are four. First one, trainee know how and is familiar is applying creativity to the innovation process of organization. The second, the trainee know when creativity must be applied and is able to work creativity template by using PowerPoint and words. After we can see specifically one by one. The third one, the trainee is able to create a shared creative working space with the team members by using software like Mural or Miro. The last one, the trainee is able to keep the creative process under control by matching creative thinking with project management program as Trello, Asana, and Product Camp, and etc. Okay, the first learning outcome, S.C.A.M.P.E.R method. There are different techniques for creative thinking. Here we focus on the S.C.A.M.P.E.R. In this SMART method, there are 7 different questions to encourage and inspire team members to address the problem through 7 unique ways. S.C.A.M.P.E.R refers to a series of reflection or provocation that helps the team to innovate a product, a service, or an existing situation, looking through 7 different objectives. These objectives are these 7: substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. Substitute, during this part of the discussion, the team focused on making decision to replace part of the process with another. The replacement technique tends to provide alternative solution to decision markers to choose different solution in order to achieve a final action. The combine technique tends to analyze the possibility of merging one or more ideas, process stage, or product into one more efficient output. The adapt. During this phase of the brainstorming, you have to think about what can be added. Optimized or modified in your product or process to make it better. Modify. This technique refers to changing the process in a way that triggers more innovative capabilities or solves problem. Put to another use. This technique is about how to put current thing or process into another purpose, or how to use existing material to solve the problems. Eliminate, as the same suggests, this technique aims to identify the parts of the process that can be eliminated to improve the process. The last one, the reverse, this technique aims to explore the innovative potential when the order of the process is changed. The third learning outcome, the Miro software allow you to create a mind map. These mind maps are a type of diagram that visually connect as a central subject or concept, ideas, words, object, or related task. This mind map allows you to work out not linear ideas, start making connection between concepts, and then add the structure to ideas to create a map. These are the main steps to follow to create a mind map with the mirror. Start with a concept or central ideas. You have to start with a central concept or idea with something. This is central to your problem or topic. Once you have a central them, type into the middle of the map. Add related ideas. Then in a quick focus session, have your team members develop related topics or concept around the middle one. Add branches and note around the central idea. Repeat the process for more subtopic. It also generates a lower subtype and connects them via branches and child nodes. Highlights the best idea. Review your mind map and mark the ideas that resonate most with you and your team. Think about what is missing and what can be explained or explored even more. Get creative with it. You don't have to be a designer to create a visually fun chart. Try changing the color and the orientation, or even things like stick notes, pictures, or emoji. Once you have done this step, you can share the advice with other colleagues in real time, who can view, comment, or edit. You can also view the history of change and restore them if it is necessary. But the most important thing is that it allows you to develop, plan projects, create organizational charts, and develop sales strategies, all without changing the tools. The fourth outcome is about Trello, the project management software. And to be able to keep the creative process under control, the trainee must know how to use specified management programs that can help him or her for this purpose. Below, we can study particularly Trello. Trello is an application for project management based on the Kanban method that allows to improve production efficiency. The method is based on the subdivision of the programming in 3 parts: to do, in progress, and done. Whose subjects are obviously the work in the planning of that given project. Each Trello card can contain a lot of information, including this one we can see in this slide, more detailed description of that precise task, the ability to assign a precise task to a board member, your own checklist with the subtask to do, one or more attachments such as file, images, picture, etc. The register of the activities already carried out on that card, one or more label of different color to differentiate the values. The deadline by the time is more important. You have to complete the task. The deadline is very important, and a cover image to conclude the map. Okay, thank you for your attention, and we see in the unit 3.1.3. Thank you.